it's a very good company to deal with. So I visited them and I had few questions and I was very satisfied with their answers. That's what made me go over there. It was much more than what I expected because the original plan was something else, but they suggested to do some changes in the plan, and which worked out very fine, and I was very happy with the result. It's much better than what I thought in the beginning. I think it's a very good investment, and I'm very satisfied with whatever the job is done. They were all professional and they did very well. I'm very much satisfied with the price and what the work they did. The workmanship was excellent and very well done. I'm very much satisfied with the whole team, right from the beginning, from the salesperson to the project manager, and it was an excellent job.